I was admiring Sherry's front flower bed, and she told me that that was a great example of permaculture, which she then described as food within your landscape. She says, see that plant over there? That's Okinawa spinach, which is great in smoothies, soups, whatever you want to do with it. And being the generous, helpful person that she always is, she gave me a cutting and encouraged me to go home and plant it. She told me to find a relatively shady spot somewhere in the flower bed, peel the leaves off the stem, get some cinnamon to help prevent root rot, and then cut the stems into 3-inch sections. Then dip one end into the cinnamon. Then she said to use a straw to create 3 starter holes in the soil. Then just put the cuttings, cinnamon side down, directly into the soil. I gave them a little pep talk and then just basically watered them along with the flowers. I was so busy the rest of that summer with the vegetable garden that I'll admit I didn't really tend to that front flower bed as much as I should have until I went out to weed it this fall. I had actually forgotten about that spinach and was so thrilled to see that all 3 of those stalks had developed leaves. I transplanted them into grow bags because something had been eating them out front. After about a week, I planted the healthiest one back into the flower bed and the other 2 into a lower garden bed after I cut back some of those damaged leaves. I figured there was a trendy name for growing plants from cuttings, so I looked it up and I was right. It's called plant propagation. I'll definitely try that again in the spring.